Speak to me, O Lord.
Hello, and welcome to this episode on how to make homemade mayo in 2 steps. And yes, when you are done, it will look like this, and it'll taste just as good as it looks here. So first of all, the supplies you'll need is a blender, a jar to put your mayo in with a nice lid, and a spatula or a spoon, and a 4-cup measuring cup. It'll need to be a 4-cup size because you have to slowly pour in a lot of oil at the end without stopping. So we need a large measuring cup for you to do this. Be careful of the oil you pick because your mayo will take on the color of that oil. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients: eggs, oil, a teaspoon of dry mustard, 2 teaspoons of salt, 4 dashes of cayenne pepper, some sweetener, and 8 tablespoons of lemon juice. All these ingredients are easily available. You probably have most of them in your home already. So let's get into our 2 steps. Step 1, combine everything together except 3 cups of oil and blend for 5 seconds. And the second step is slowly drizzle in the other 3 cups of oil while the blender is on high, maybe 30 to 45 seconds. When you are done with that, you'll see it get real thick at the very end, and this is what it will look like. It'll be delicious. Of course, you're going to save a lot of money. You can tweak the recipe if you want it to be more salty or maybe a little more spicy, and you can pretty much make it yourself. So the only other thing is, don't forget, like I said, the mayonnaise will take on the color of your oil, so be careful what you pick. And here's some tips. Don't overblend it. Stir manually at the end, whipping together any oil that might settle on the top, and use a little less oil for thicker mayo. Try different oils, but remember about that it'll take on the color of that oil. But you will definitely enjoy this savings, and the taste is delicious. So I hope this helps, and just give it a try. You should do fine. Have a great day, and thanks for joining me.
Speak to me.